Hello everyone, I am Elmer Labinghisa, 1K Manager of MMM Philippines. What is MMM? MMM is a global community of financial aid and donation exchange. Millions of people from different countries have already registered in our community. We donate money when we can do it, and we get money when we need it. MMM is not a company, and it does not have the accounts where participants have to transfer money to. MMM is a social network that connects the one who wants to donate money with the one who wants to get money. Participants transfer money directly to each other. MMM gives you a technical basic program which helps millions of participants worldwide to find those who need help and those who are ready to provide help for free. All transferred funds to another participants are your help given by your own goodwill to another one, absolutely gratis. If you are completely confident and certain in your actions and make your mind to participate, we kindly ask you to study carefully all warnings and instructions first. In cases of any matter regarding the topic, our online consultants are ready to help and answer all your questions. MMM openly declares that all the money is redistributed between members and is not invested in any business projects or securities. Relations between participants of MMM are built on not contracts and obligations, but on trust and mutual respect. This allows the community to adapt quickly to changing external and internal conditions. How does it work? MMM is a community of people providing each other financial help on the principle of gratuitousness, reciprocity, and benevolence. In MMM, you don't have to make contracts or pledge your property. In MMM, there are no lenders and no debtors. Everything is very simple. One participant asks for help, another one helps. The only thing that MMM demands from each participant is to be honest and kind to each other. You ask for financial help when you need it. You give financial help when you are able to do it. Information about MMM. MMM is global and widespread. 138 million members in 107 countries. 4 years of activity and $14 billion assistance provided. The fastest growing community of people in the world. MMM is 100% legal in the whole world. The goals of MMM: help all the people in the world, spread the money among people so that they gain financial freedom, creating a new fair financial relationship among people. MMM advantages: 30% per month for your provide help, 10% referral bonus for help made by people you invited to MMM, your friends, relatives, acquaintances, etc. Bonuses for first help: $20, $50, and $100. 5% bonus for video after get help. A lot of bonuses from your MMM team. Bonuses from your MMM team. First, the 10% referral bonus. Then, manager's bonuses if you are a manager of MMM. On your first level, you will get 5%, second level 3%, third level 1%, fourth level 0.5%, fifth level 0.3%, sixth level 0.1%, seventh level 0.05%, eighth level 0.03%, next levels 0.01% down to infinity. Lucky scheme, 10 people by $50. So if you are a manager, you can develop your structure by, in the example, getting 10 leaders. Okay, so on your first level you have 10 leaders, then your profit will be from $25 to $75. Your 10 leaders create their team, and each one of them gets 10 leader also. They will do the same. So on your second level you will have 100 participants. Then your profit from the bonuses will be $150 to $650. On your third level, you will have 1,000 participants. The profit will be from $500 to $5,500. Very interesting. So the total participants under your team will be 1,111 people. The profit will be up to $6,225. It's minimum average profit. So take your chances now. Lucky scheme suggestions. You and all your team provide $50 help, and it's for 1 month, and afterwards will get help with start bonus. They do a video feedback and put it on YouTube and Facebook and take plus 5% more. By these suggestions, after 1 month, you will have 10 videos of people who got help, and they will come back with more spare money and will invite new people. This is the secret. First 10 top leaders in MMM Philippines. Who will do it? They will have 1,111 people in the team. We will know them in 2 months, till the end of March 2015. MMM Online Active Mode, using referral link. Online consulting in the main site and create your own big team with your referral link. Using Facebook, Twitter, Google+, invite people directly to speak, comment posts, photos and videos, groups and communities with your referral link. YouTube, comment videos with your referral link. Use Skype to add new people, to write them information with your referral link, and to call them if they want. Find contacts of MLM business people and its YIPers and send them information with your referral link. Check local city forums and Bitcoin forums. Register, leave comments, add new topics, discuss, and give information with your referral link. MMM Offline Active Mode. Open MMM offices and MMM clubs in every city in Philippines. Charity events. Teach people how to use PC, internet, email, Skype, and Facebook. Bitcoin technologies. How to earn money in internet by MMM. Print information about MMM with your contacts and invite. Give to people everywhere. MMM Passive Mode. When you provide help in MMM, you are donating money to the people's happiness and dreams. How to donate spare money. And first, save up money for your dreams. Example, 1,000 pesos. On the first month, with a 30% interest, you will be getting 1,300 if you donate 1,000 pesos. On the second month, it will grow and it will become 1,700. The third month, 2,200. Fourth month, 2,900. On 12 months, you will be getting 23,300. So your money grows here at MMM. Have another monthly salary. So if your salary is not enough, you can donate $1,000 in MMM and you will be getting a extra income of $300 per month. MMM uses Bitcoin. What is Bitcoin? Bitcoin is a form of digital currency, created and held electronically. No one controls it. Bitcoins aren't printed like dollars or euros. They're produced by lots of people running computers all around the world, using software that solves mathematical problems. It's the first example of growing category of money known as cryptocurrency. What makes it different from normal currencies? Bitcoin can be used to buy things electronically. In that sense, it's like conventional dollars, euros, or yen, which are also traded digitally. However, Bitcoin's most important characteristic, and the thing that makes it different to conventional money, is that it is decentralized. No single institution controls the Bitcoin network. This puts some people at ease because it means that a large bank can't control their money. Who created it? A software developer called Satoshi Nakamoto proposed Bitcoin, which was an electronic payment system based on mathematical proof. The idea was to produce a currency independent of any central authority, transferable electronically, more or less instantly, with very low transaction fees. So let's watch a video of what is Bitcoin.
What is Bitcoin? Bitcoin is the first decentralized digital currency. Bitcoins are digital coins you can send through the internet. Compared to other alternatives, Bitcoins have a number of advantages. Bitcoins are transferred directly from person to person via the net, without going through a bank or clearinghouse. This means that the fees are much lower. You can use them in every country. Your account cannot be frozen, and there are no prerequisites or arbitrary limits. Let's look at how it works. Several currency exchanges exist where you can buy and sell Bitcoins for dollars, euros, and more. Your Bitcoins are kept in your digital wallet on your computer or mobile device. Sending Bitcoins is as simple as sending an email, and you can purchase anything with Bitcoin. The Bitcoin network is secured by individuals called miners. Miners are rewarded newly generated Bitcoins for verifying transactions. After transactions are verified, they are recorded in a transparent public ledger. Bitcoin opens up a whole new platform for innovation. The software is completely open source and anyone can review the code. Bitcoin is changing finance the same way the web changed publishing. When everyone has access to a global market, great ideas flourish. Bitcoins are a great way for businesses to minimize transaction fees. It doesn't cost anything to start accepting them, and it's easy to set up. There are no chargebacks, and you get additional business from the Bitcoin economy. For more information about Bitcoin, visit weusecoins.com.
Okay, thank you for watching. Let's proceed. So here it is, my contacts: Elmer Labingisa, 1K Manager, and MMM Philippines. That's my Facebook account, my email address, my Skype ID, then my Facebook group and community, my YouTube channel. Okay, thank you very much for this presentation. Together we change the world.